Hi guys, Sim this side. In this video, I'll show you that how you can see the tables, rows and columns, basically all the data from any table. There are two ways to do it and I'll show you both of them. The first way will be by using SQL Query, where we will write some SQL query to see the tables data, all the things which will be stored in the any XYZ table. Okay. And the second way which we will use is that we will not use SQL query, okay, where we will not touch the query area, we will not run any command, and we will have all the rows and all the columns, all the data of the same table, okay, which we will see by using the way one. So let's start the video. First, open your MySQL workbench. So I'm opening it. It's time to enter the password. The workbench has started. I'm zooming this area so the commands will be visible. Okay, I'm using a database here. Use college. Whatever the database you have, you can use that. Okay, write use and write the database name here. Okay, I'm using college, so I wrote college. Now it's time to run it. And now I want to see the tables in this database. So show tables. Okay, so there is only one table by the name of student, and I want to see all the data from this table student. So select this is not a star, we call it all. Okay, select all from student, run it. Here you can see that all the rows and all the columns have appeared here. Columns are roll number, name, marks, grade, city, and here you can see all the data is stored 101, 102, Bhumika, Chetan in the grades C, A, B, A. Okay, so this is how you can see the all the data from any table. Okay, whatever the database you have, whatever the table you have, so you can see all the data from your table by using the SQL query. And now let's move on the second way. In the second way, we will see the same table which is a student by not using SQL query. We will not touch this area, we will not write anything here. Okay, so what we will do is that here you can see that in the right side there is a window by the schemas. Schemas means databases. Okay, and here we have two database, Angarpatra and college. So we know that in the way one we use the database college, and in the database college there was a table name student. Okay, and in the table student there were certain datas. Okay, the same data will appear by using this way. So just expand this database. I'm expanding it, the name database college. Here you can see the tables. Now expand it. There is only one table name student. Okay, and I want to see the all the data from this table student. Okay, so what we will do here, you can see that there are three icons, eye setting and one more icon. And in this icon, okay, the third icon, just click on it and your data will appear. Okay, so I'm clicking it. Here you can see that all the data have appeared. The same data appeared which we saw when we used SQL query way one. Okay, so this is how you can use the way two to see all the data from any table. Okay, whatever the database you have, whatever the table you have, you can use this way two to see all the data. Okay, and I hope this way one and way two will help you to be good and be productive with your MySQL workbench. Okay, and MySQL skills. So thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.